I'm Pat Fosberry with John S. James Company. I'm their corporate export and transportation manager. Our core business is custom house brokerage and freight forwarding.
Pat serves on countless boards. He is an expert of experts in the world of freight forwarding and brokerage. Pat was Cargosphere's first customer as the president of the NCB FAA Shippers Association, and later with his own company, John S. James, has been a great supporter of Cargosphere's for over 12 years.
Back in 2001, I was president of the NCB FAA Shippers Association. I was attending the conference, and there they have exhibitors. Myra Reynolds, our corporate import manager, basically led me by the hand to the Cargosphere booth. The thing that surprised me most about Neil was he was the first IT guy that I'd ever met that listened more than he talked. Neil had a product, and he blew my socks off. He took everything that I had talked about and added more than what I even imagined it could be.
At Cargosphere, we have a very collaborative relationship with our clients. We listen to them, and if they have a good idea, we build it. We don't wait.
One of the things with the Cargosphere system that we were able to do is we were able to centralize our rate department. That rate department of 2 people is now doing rates for what 50 people in our company used to do. So the savings has been astronomical. Now that we had a standard of rates in our contracts in a system where we had visibility over all of them, it was a lot easier for us to maintain those and to do rates from one central location.
Pricing is very complex in the transportation space. The sheer volume of surcharges involved in any single shipment can be overwhelming. Our clients see between 5 and 6 surcharges on average on any given shipment. And we've seen those soar as high as 20 or 25 surcharges. Cargosphere has a repository of over 600 various surcharges, all related to what you see behind me and things that are happening on the other side of the ocean.
Once we had the product in-house, our core members were using the product, we couldn't operate without it. Each of our clients operate a little bit different. Some of our clients ask for a rate from point A to B, and they want the list of all the charges. Others just want a lump sum. Some want a comparison of different carriers that you had. Cargosphere gives us that possibility to do that.
Frankly, we know that when our clients received amendments from the carriers, they let out a collective ugh, because the administration of those rates and amending them in the system, if they have a system, is going to be difficult work.
Cargosphere came up with a way that we could do an update to a GRI across the board. So we could enter the GRI for a 20-foot container, a 40-foot container on this contract, hit a button, and across the board, 100,000 port pairs were updated immediately. And then that afternoon, it would start sending out the new quotes to our clients.
At Cargosphere, we continue to see rate volatility persisting in the marketplace. But with our system, our clients are able to navigate those choppy waters and keep their rates straight.
We've been working with Cargosphere for over 12 years now, and I would think the best thing about it has been the open lines of communication we've had. I've worked with Neil personally throughout that whole time. If I have an idea, he listens, and that's one of the things that I think is so great. He may call to tell me about a new service or to make sure that I understand a new feature that they may be having, but we end up talking and he ends up learns more about what some of our challenges are and what we're doing. And it's not just me that says that, it's our entire staff. They treat us like we're their still most valuable client that they have. It's a great team that they've developed there, and we work very well with them.